Greetings to all. The purpose of this short video is just to show you how to record whatever is happening on your screen in the form of a video. Then after that, we will also show, we will use the example of a demo for a Visual Studio program that we did to show how it is working. Thank you. So we assume that you have an Outlook webmail, and you have to go first to that web Outlook email, the one of your organization. I am there now. In my case, I'm part of the Walter Sisulu University, and this is my email box. On top, you'll see Outlook at the corner, where you can now see all the applications. And the application that we are interested in, we can scroll down and we'll find that application. It is called Stream. So I am going to click on Stream. I have now clicked on Stream. Once you click on Stream, in order for you to start the recording of your screen, you need to click on Create and choose record screen or video. It will open a small screen where you can do a few number of choices. One of the choices will be the source of your microphone. I have two microphones, so I'm taking the second one. Another choice will be the source of your video, the pictures. Do you want them to come from the camera only, or from the screen only, or from both the camera and the screen, where they can see yourself on the camera but also see what is happening on the screen? So in my case, I'm going to select that I only want to see the screen. Now that all these selections are done, all you are left to do is to click on start a recording, and the recording will start. Good. Suppose I clicked on start the recording. I will now find myself in the situation where the recording is happening. We are here and we are doing the recording. What do we want to record? In my case, I want to record what is happening in Visual Studio. It is a small app in C Sharp, and I want to show how is that app working. Before doing the actual demo of the app, I want to quickly explain the database between that app. It is an app where an admin personnel is creating courses. Simple. So we have a table course, a table person, a stable staff, and a stable student, as well as a stable for users. Those are the simple tables. On top of those simple tables, we have the link tables that are made up of links between the simple tables. For example, the table link user person is a table that represents a link between a user and a person. Very, very good. On the other hand, we also have stored procedures that are being used by this app to interact with the tables. Of particular interest, let me show you one or two interesting things. For example, I'll take the example of course. If I open the table course, you will see that the table course has a certain number of attributes, such as the course ID, such as the course the code, such as the course name, and maybe the semester course or a year course, And also we need to know if it's a first year course, a second year course, or a third year course. When we look at that, one of the constraints that we have imposed in the course is that the course code must be unique. The course code is different from the course ID in this case. The course ID defines the key, primary key of the table, but when you look at course code, it's not a primary key, but we created a constraint which should say a course code is unique. Two courses cannot have the same course code. From time to time, when you are doing your recording, you can go back to Explorer Edge and you'll see that we have now recorded 6 minutes. So I can now go back to Visual Studio to rush my presentation so that I do not reach the 15 minutes. Back to Visual Studio. What else do I want to show you that is interesting? I just showed you that the course code is unique. So when I will do the demo, I'll try to show that it's not possible to create two courses with the same course code. Something else that I would like to show you is the link tables. The link table has a particularity because it has foreign keys. It has foreign keys, and because of a constraint that are specific to foreign keys, we have to add always a constraint saying that if the parent key is deleted, then the this one also need to be deleted. It's what we call on delete cascade. It is very, very important. Now, let's try to run our program. I'm going to click on run and we will see how does the program work. You can see down here that the program is building to check the errors. Are there certain errors? Let us remind the purpose of this program. You'll have a user who will log in to the system. In our case, that user is the admin of the system. Once the user is logged in, uh, he or she will then go and create a course or retrieve the existing courses or update some of the courses that are already in the database, or maybe delete one or two courses. Now that Visual Studio is turning, I can go back and check on the Explorer. How many minutes have you consumed? You are now on 8 minutes. So let me rush back to Visual Studio to see if something has changed. So far, yes, I am seeing something red here, which means the program is turning. Now, it should not take too long before the program starts running. We can see the diagnostics tools that have already started. We will see in a few minutes, hopefully in a few seconds or minutes, we will see the program that we are trying to demonstrate to give you a demo of. The diagnostic tools are still turning on this site, and maybe let me just close. It doesn't really matter. We are still waiting. Let me just check how many minutes have you consumed. So far, we are now on 19 minutes. Okay, down here, you can see the app has started. It's down here where you can see there is an app that has started. So I'm going back to Visual Studio and it's telling me the app is running. Visual Studio is running. Let me try to click on the app. The app has opened. So here we were saying the login, the user can log in. I'm going to allow my user to log in. The name of the user is this one, and the password, I type the password and the user can log in. Currently, the you can see he has currently signed in. It was signed out. From there, I am the admin, so I go to the admin menu and I click on courses. Let's first try to see all the courses that are there. Oh, why not? Let's create a course. The course code, we can call it DM101, which means videos, demo. Okay, good. Uh, Something like that. Then we go to is a semester one course, and let's put it for the foundation and create. The course has been created successfully with the ID number 7. Okay, so we can now close. Then go back to admin in the menu and try to retrieve all the courses to see if that courses is there. Why not? Let's click on show all, and yes, the courses has been created. Here I can ask to this menu to give me all the courses that are starting with D. Select them. Yes, it gave me DS and DS4. If we go back to show all, and if we ask him now, can you please give us all the courses that are starting with DM? And we show all. No, show all is different from select. If we say DM, we have to select. Okay, he did not retrieve that course. Let me go back and close, show all the courses. Seems to be a small issue. Oh, the problem is here. The problem is here is level 0, so we need to go and find out why is there a problem with this course ID number 7. Very, very good. Now I can close and go and check other menus such as the update. Update is about changing the values of a certain course. If I select that course, what will it give me? The course has been selected and I change the values. Instead of this, I can say VDM101 video demonstration 101, and I don't want it to be a foundation course anymore. Then I can say update. I will pull it up. Did he update? We are waiting. Yes, he's saying course details successfully updated. Use show to check. Now I can go back to close and go to admin and go there and try to retrieve all the courses with show all, and it has been updated. Right. What am I left with? I can close this one. From time to time, I need to check how much time did I consume. I'm left with only 1 minute now. So let me quickly go and wrap up my demo. Which part of the demo haven't I touched yet? I would like to go and now do a demo of the delete. The delete, if I want to delete a course, let me first show all the courses, and let's say I want to delete course number 6. Then I will select it. The key has been shown. It is the key of the course to be deleted, and I can delete it. And it's telling me the course has been successfully deleted. So how do I know that the course has been deleted? I make close DS4, go back to admin, try to retrieve all the courses and show the admin that course is no more there. Then from there, I'm going to close. I can now log out. And after logging out, let me see if I can do anything.